Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're taking a look at a used 2016 Veranda 20-foot. Now as you can see, this is fully equipped for fishing, has two mounted swivel seats here in the front. Now what's nice about this, they have a full range of movement and lockable positions, so you can lock yourself into any position you would need to get into. They also do fold down if you do need to get them out of the way. This one also comes included with a quick release Minn Kota trolling motor. This is a great option for someone that kind of wants to use this as a dual purpose boat and kind of take that trolling motor on and off as you need. Now as we walk through here, I want you guys to notice, so right here in front of the helm, we got an included live well option on this vessel. Now what you can do is you can actually use this as an aerator, so it does circulate the air to keep all your bait fish nice and alive. Doesn't have any sharp corners for them to get stuck in. Now as we walk further here to the middle of the boat, you can notice we have a L bench, so this can kind of accommodate any other passengers that may be riding on the boat. So this is just a real neat option to have that here, since it kind of makes it a dual purpose. Here starting at the helm, we have a Hummingbird fish finder and GPS. It is a Helix 5, so this is a great option if anybody's looking for a cheaper boat that comes with a great fish finder. You also have a Jensen radio, very quality sounding, and then you also have all your analog gauges up here to show your fuel, RPM, mile per hour, and your trim level. Now as we walk towards the back here, you can notice we have a couple seats laying around. Now, this vessel comes with two extra swivel seats that have been unmounted and an included seat for each pedestal mount. This is great for anybody that's looking to kind of customize their layout and how they want their swivel seats placed. So that's a huge plus. Now, coming here to the back, I want you guys to take a look at what powering this boat here. We have a 70 horsepower Yamaha with 200 hours on it. This is a really, really reliable motor and great enough power for this boat. Running about 25 mile an hour. It's a great, great option to have. All right, guys. Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If this is a boat that you would love to inquire about, please contact us. Thank you guys so much for watching.